Come test drive the 2026 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Bluetooth, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.